Good day mga kanumero. At this time, we will have another example when it comes to stopping sight distance. So to start, let us read first the problem. A vehicle initially traveling at 100 km per hour skids to a stop on a 3% downgrade, taking 200 meters to do so. What is the coefficient of friction on this surface? So to start, let us analyze first the problem and try in before solving our example. So it was stipulated based on the given equation. We have stopping sight distance is equals to the speed times time plus we have the speed to the power of 2 over 2 times the gravitational force times friction. Now, we have here 150 km per hour. So if you are going to convert that one first into meter per second squared, we just simply have it 150 over 3.6. So we can have the value of 14.67. Now, let us use this value now as a reference for our equation. We have 14.67 and we don't have time, so it was just 0 plus 14.67 to the power of 2 over 2 times 9.81 times our fraction, which is f, minus 0.03. Okay, now let us transpose this one because this is already 0. So we have f minus 0.03 is equal to, we have 14.67 to the power of 2 over 19.62 times our distance of 200 meter. So therefore, our F now is equivalent to, this is 1 this is equivalent to 1736.39 over 3924. Okay, so the value of our F here is equals to 0.44. But then the question is coefficient of fraction on this place. So therefore we have F is equal to 0.44 plus 0.03. So mga kanumero, this could be now our final answer, which is equivalent to 0.47. Okay, so please like, share, and follow for more videos. Thank you.